Hey guys, in this video I want to be giving you my Duolingo chess course review, and is it worth trying? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Duolingo's chess course is a relatively new offering from the language learning giant aimed at teaching chess through bite-sized lessons, exercises, and even mini puzzles. The idea is to combine Duolingo's familiar user experience with a fun gamified introduction to chess. Now, the course starts with the basics, how each piece moves, board setup, legal moves, and gradually works in tactics, strategy principles, and even endgame patterns, all in Duolingo style, progressive levels and checkpoints. The interface is clean, bright, and easy to use, which helps reduce friction in learning. Now, for beginners or casual players, it's absolutely worth trying. The gradual pacing, repetition, and gamification help solidify fundamental understandings. Since it's integrated in Duolingo's ecosystem, you'll get reminders, streaks, and motivation to return. If you've never really learned chess properly, this is a gentle, low barrier way to get started. However, though, there are limits. The course is designed more for light learning than mastery. As you progress, complex strategies, positional play, or even advanced tactics may not get the depth or nuance you find in dedicated chess books, courses, or with a coach. Now, serious players or those aiming for competitive improvement will quickly outgrow it. Also, because it's still relatively new, some areas might feel underdeveloped or even missing. For example, less variety in puzzle types or fewer insights into long-term strategic planning. But overall, the Duolingo chess course is a worthwhile experiment, especially for those curious about chess, novices who want to learn in small increments, or people who enjoy gamified learning. For deeper improvement, you'll eventually want to supplement it with something more advanced study or practice.